Welcome to our guide on using project management tools. In today's fast-paced work environment, these tools are essential for keeping teams organized and projects on track. When choosing a project management tool, look for key features such as task assignment, progress tracking, and effective collaboration options. Choosing the right project management tool is crucial. Consider your team's specific needs, the size of your projects, and the tool's usability. Let's dive into setting up your first project. Begin by creating a new project, establishing timelines, and identifying key milestones. Once your project is set up, it's time to manage tasks. Learn how to create, assign, and prioritize tasks using your chosen tool. Effective collaboration is key to project success. Most project management tools offer built-in communication features for seamless teamwork. Monitoring progress is vital. Discover how to track project status and make adjustments as necessary to keep everything on track. Integration can enhance your project management efforts. Learn how to connect your tool with other software for streamlined workflows. Finally, let's talk about best practices. These tips will help you maximize the effectiveness of your project management tool. In conclusion, a project management tool can significantly contribute to successful project outcomes by enhancing team collaboration and efficiency.